Built-in TradingView indicators can usually be viewed and copied, but whether you can modify them depends on how the script is published. For many built-in indicators, the source code is available through the Pine editor, which means you can open the script, make a copy, and then adjust that copy to suit your own chart or workflow. TradingView's support material says built-in indicators with open source code can be opened from the indicator menu and sent to the Pine editor for editing. The important distinction is that you are not rewriting the original built-in tool in place. You are typically working from a copied version of that script, then saving your own edited version separately. That means the built-in study remains unchanged, while your custom version becomes a personal script that you can modify further, rename, or use as the basis for a more tailored layout. TradingView's editing guidance explains that script changes are made through the Pine editor and then saved as your own script. There are also limits to keep in mind. Not every indicator on TradingView is editable in the same way. If a script is protected or published without open source access, you may be able to use it, but not inspect or alter the underlying code. So the answer is yes for open source built-in indicators, but not as a blanket rule for every script you may find in the platform's library. If the source is available, the process is straightforward. Open the indicator, send it to the Pine editor, review the logic, make the adjustments you want, and save it as a separate custom script. From there, you can change inputs, colors, calculations, plot styles, or add extra conditions, depending on what the original code allows and how comfortable you are working with Pine script. TradingView's Pine documentation also shows that scripts are meant to be edited and extended through the editor environment. In practical terms, built-in TradingView indicators can often be accessed and modified, but the modification usually happens by copying the source into your own editable version rather than changing the original built-in script itself.